Right, next job is pads, but as you can see, and I think there's going to be a load of brake dust in there, so I'm going to pressure wash them out first. As you can see, that is quite keen to get on with it. Right, let's let that dry for a bit. Right, okay, pads. So, if you're new to this and you've never taken a wheel off before, I've made a video before taking a wheel off a Skoda Fabia. I'll link that above now. So what have we got? So we've gone with Brembo. The guy at Euro Parts says this is the top brand. I asked what the middle brand was and it was £1 cheaper, so I thought we might as well go for the best one. 2 bolts to take out. One's here. There'll be one down here somewhere, and that's it really. I've also done a video changing the pads on a Skoda Fabia, so I'll show you this one. I won't talk a lot through this one, we'll just go through it. I won't show the other side, not unless there's something out of the ordinary I want to show you. So let's make a start, shall we? Okay. Yeah, okay. There's more on there than you think. I think the other side is worse than this. That's interesting. And there they are. Pads are off. Right, okay, this is where the trusty piston winder-in thing comes in. So, there. Okay, got to remember how to use it now. That'll go in there. That'll go in there. Right, can you see the action of this thing? Winding that piston back. Which is great. And always go further than you need, because you will regret it if you don't. Okay. Put that in there. Absolute dream, Nigel. Absolute dream. Right. Same system but in reverse. We'll put these in. Do them up and I'll come back to you. Right, there we go. It's as easy as that. Do those up. Put these little caps back in. Stop any dirt getting in there. Make it easy for next time. Our little spring clip is back in. The disc, loads of meat on that. Won't have to worry about that for a few years. So that's that. Next side, anything interesting on the next side? I'll show you. Put the wheel back on, drop it down. Okay, just back off the little test drive. No noises, no knocks. Just a little word of advice. When you do change your brake pads, just start the engine up. Don't go anywhere. Just pump the brake pedal a couple of times, because where you've pushed those pistons back in, they just need to be back under pressure again. A couple of things I did notice. The second brake pads that I did, they were a bit more worn than the other one, as I remember when I repaired the puncture. So that was odd. And the other thing is, the first side I did, I think that tyre is the original. So it'll need changing soon. But the second side I did, that tyre was from 2019. So there is something a little bit odd going on there, some uneven wear maybe. If you've made it this far, leave me something suitably, I don't know, car related in the comments. Take a look at the next video I've recommended for you. It's pretty cool, and I'll see you again. Cheers.